Hey everyone, so here's an interesting app called Penbook, note taking and handwriting. This is one of alternatives to, I guess, like Apple Notes app. So let's just explore it. So here you can just see this app is a bit like more advanced, and then you can just organize your work with beautiful covers and notebooks, design your perfect digital journal or planner, hundreds of papers, colors, layouts, and themes, add photos, washi tape, maps, and stickers. So you can also type and ink with text now. So plenty of really amazing features and some good reviews. People absolutely love this app. You can see 18,000 reviews here. And yeah, so let's just try to explore it. There is one free week trial instantly to unlock all the features. So let's just see if I can explore just a limited version. So here I can just give access to my calendar. And then, yes, this is my shelf. And then, for example, I just want to create this kind of like Notion for Notes app, I guess. It's kind of similar. So if I just want to create like a blank, titled, margined, framed, office use only. So for example, I just want to create this. So there you have it. I just wanted to create this. And then I can just tap create book. Okay, so now if I just swipe in here, I can just start drawing. There are many pages here. So there is page 1. You need to adjust a bit to the to this layout. So then you can just see something. You can type. There are erasers. There are selectors. There is a ruler. There are some additional features. You can use like a pen. Or for example, like that. So yeah, and then you can just erase it. You can also add you can just go to the menu this way. Yeah, so that's basically the process. Text notes. You can add a note here if you like. Add photo, washi tape, scratch pad. Then you can just organize. Yeah, so that's the idea. And then you can just have this as a book, and then you can just share it as a PDF, for example. And then I just want to do like to-do list, and then I just go in here. This is just a bit of an annoying UI that you need to swipe. Okay, so if you want to get some additional template, you will need to upgrade. So not gonna work. If you want to upgrade, you can get it at $14.99 per year. So it's pretty cheap app actually. 1 week free and then $14.99 per year. So yeah, pretty interesting app. I guess it's also kind of can be used on the iPad just to play around. Then, for example, you can have this pixel art sketchbook, but then yeah, you need to upgrade here. And then you can see they also have this option with lifetime upgrade, which I also like, that there is an opportunity just to pay once, and there you have it. You are not charged on a recurrent basis. Then you can see all the releases, can get support. So yeah, pretty interesting app actually. So you can give it a try and you can explore it. Hope that's helpful, and give a try to this app.